Hang on for this bumpy ride. You are about to time travel across 4 days. 4 days. No, 4 days. 4 days. We have our lift kit, and this is going to be a very ambitious thing, but we are going to put in my 4.5-inch lift for the Cherokee that currently is in about 1,000,000 pieces. I'll let you guess what I'm doing. So, obviously, would not recommend doing any paint work outside, but if you are, wet down the ground first, give it a boo, go to a paint shop, see what they got. This is Princess Auto air gun, also Harbor Freight, same thing. Thought I'd try a cheap one. I got a cheap primer gun that broke immediately. Wouldn't recommend it. This one though sprays pretty damn good. I think it's a 1.4 mil tip, so that's good for your base and clear. So I'd start with a little project, get a hood, because this is pretty fun. I'm doing it outside, next to trees everywhere. You can still get a pretty good result. Obviously with what I'm going single stage, not super glossy. That makes it easier. Guess what color? I mean, that helps a lot. Even if you're going to matte, that would help, semi-gloss, anything. But if you're doing 2-stage clear and you want it to look beautiful, you might want to invest in a tarp. Subaru. Zero progress on that, I think. I have to double check what the last video was. Jeep. Don't even know where to start. That's been a busy one. Doors. Bumper. Fenders. Stuff's going down. So these are going to be about the worst videos I have, but actually that's not true at all, but I've been busting my ass trying to get this done in a week. So yeah, that's that. See what happens. So heads up, I've done zero Googling or research, but I don't even know what's needed to do a 97 and up swap. So we're gonna figure it out together. You're welcome. Future me? The one that's editing and mad that this me. Just get back to what I was doing. I just blew my own mind. Well, here we are in the race truck picking up some goodies. Got me a whole other Jeep. Let's get these goodies home and let's start doing Jeep stuff. Woo! Ours. Mine. Ours. Mine. Ours. Car parts. A lot of car parts. Car getting the parts. Another car getting parts. Car parts. What else we got? Oh, right. A lot of car parts. Engine. Car parts. Fucking car parts. I have car parts everywhere. Windy Steaks, why not? So here we are, relocating my little egg, and she's stripped. You guys get a little sneak peek here, but whoop. The parts that came off it and that we are not using. Lucky day for you fellas coming along. So, she is painted. Has the 97 front end on already. Surprise, surprise, it all bolts on. Got my custom bumper here. I just repainted. That was part of the deal I got with the truck. New headlights, because I love them. So the color on this is an olive drab. It's a single stage, so it's not very glossy. Going for a bit of a military look here, so I think I pulled it off. The fenders with 4.5-inch lift, I did have to cut them. I was hoping I wouldn't have to, but I did. More importantly, the inside is still red, still in 1,000,000 pieces. I gotta do locks still and some other things, but most important mod, my Jeep Wave sticker. That's a must. And the idea is from here down is going to be a rocker guard for the entire length. I just have to finish cutting out my cab corners and welding those up, but that is the color we're going with. And we got the tailgate done too. Still got to do the box, but still got to figure out my life and what I'm doing there. And front is all lifted. The rear, we hit some snags, but that is getting completed. But thought I'd show it off. Olive drab, single stage enamel, low gloss. She looks beautiful. So happy with how this turned out. So all of this did happen in the driveway right where it is. No paint booth, and I tried out some cheap Princess Auto guns and they actually, well, one did all right. I don't have any videos of the sanding and body work because it's boring. We've all seen that. Got my mirror up. So I did some scuffing up with 400 grit, knocked her all down, did some body work, body filling, kept it to a minimum because this will hit a tree. This is her. So she looks so happy. Don't know when we'll get to the rest. Hopefully this week. But thank you for watching. Keep your eyes open because more videos coming.